Have you ever wondered how traditional crafts keep up in the age of technology? Japanese teapot production is a great example, where old-school skills meet modern advances. For generations, Japanese artisans have molded, carved, and glazed teapots by hand, learning from master potters. The right clay, known for holding heat, is still key today. Unique styles like Raku, with their one-of-a-kind imperfect shapes, and Kyusu, famous for practical spouts and handles, are all about balancing art and function. But teapot making isn't stuck in the past. Modern kilns bring more control to firing, making pieces reliable and long-lasting, without losing that natural variation everyone loves. Now, innovations like 3D printing even help replicate the special details of hand-finished pieces, so more people can enjoy them. So tradition isn't lost, it's getting smarter. If you're curious about how old meets new, dive into the world of Japanese teapots. It's proof that staying true to your roots and welcoming new ideas don't have to be opposites. Please like and subscribe to JapaneseTeapot.com. Thanks for watching!